Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're taking a closer look at the Shark ZU503AMZ Navigator Lift-Away Upright Vacuum. This powerful vacuum is designed to make cleaning up pet hair and debris a breeze, and it's perfect for use on multiple surfaces. One of the standout features of this vacuum is the self-cleaning brushel, which is engineered to pick up more pet hair without getting tangled up. This means less maintenance and more time spent actually cleaning. The lift-away functionality allows you to easily detach the pod for cleaning under furniture or remove the nozzle to clean above the floor, on upholstery, furniture, stairs, and more. Plus, the anti-allergen complete seal technology, combined with the HEPA filter, ensures that dust and allergens are trapped inside the vacuum cleaner. If you have pets, you'll love the included pet crevice tool, which is perfect for removing pet hair from hard-to-reach spaces like corners, ceilings, and between couch cushions. And with swivel steering, maneuvering the vacuum to get in and out of tight spaces is a breeze. The upholstery tool is perfect for picking up pet hair and debris from delicate fabrics, as well as shelves, tables, and walls. Plus, with the Navigator Lift-Away Upright Vacuum, you'll also get an upholstery tool, pet crevice tool, and owner's guide included. So, if you're in need of a powerful, versatile vacuum that's perfect for pet owners and multi-surface cleaning, be sure to check out the Shark ZU503AMZ Navigator Lift-Away Upright Vacuum. You can find the link to purchase it in the description below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching.